going on, traders? I hope you all having a wonderful time. In today's video, I want to talk about the trades that I took today that I've shared with everybody in the free Telegram channel, my free Telegram channel. If you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, then check the link in the description. Join the free Telegram channel. Sometimes I'm sharing trading ideas in there as well, like I did today. Today we took two trades on NASDAQ. First one was we had a nice reaction. Market came down, but then stopped us out as we moved our stop a little bit. And then we took the second chance entry. This one worked out perfectly. Market was going like crazy, slashed through all targets. I was banking profits a little bit early. I had enough for the day because I had basketball training and stuff. So yeah, I was leaving the charts. But yeah, if you write this thing down, it would have been like a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio, something like that on the second trade, easy. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result today. Let me show you real quick the results. So today I made 80,000, withdrew 80,000. For the month we are up 600,000, so 60% return. And like, this is the third week now, so in 2 weeks and 1 trading day, 60%. Still trading with Hanko Trade, guys. Many of you are asking me what kind of broker I'm using at the moment. I'm using Hanko Trade because they have so quick withdrawals. It's crazy, guys. Everything works with cryptocurrency and stuff, you know. So yeah, Hanko Trade is really great broker, guys. You can switch your leverage at every time. They have 3 different types of accounts. I prefer the ECM Plus type of account, but if you don't have $1,000, you can easily go with the ECN or STP. They work pretty solid, guys. And yeah, the best thing about it is like the withdrawal go like nearly instantly, you know. So pretty great broker. You should really check it out. I will put a link in the description as well. And yeah, but today let's talk about the NASDAQ the trade that we took today. The 2 trades that we took today. Overall, as you see, we are in a big bearish trend, guys. The market is just slashing down. All this crazy news and stuff, like everywhere is war and stuff. And I mean, we've printed a lot of money, as you all know. The inflation rate was going higher and higher. That means stock markets was going up and up and up. I mean, we had this flash crash here during the corona, you know, when it started. But as you can see, the market after that, like, they started to print money, and a lot of this money is going into the stock market, and that's why they start to fill this bubble, this big bubble. And I feel like it's slowly starting to burst, you know. And I think we're going to see more bearish movement. And you really need to be aware of these downward movements. And yeah, you need to know how to short sell. That's very important in here. And yeah, what I did today, guys, I was looking at the price action during Asian session, London session and stuff, and I wanted to see a liquidity grab to the upside, and then I wanted to write this thing to the downside. So I wanted to see that sellers got stopped out, and I wanted to sell these stops. You know, this is what I did today. So what we had, when the New York session started, we slashed to the downside. That means we pulled a lot of sellers into the market. Then we stopped them all out. This is when I took my first entry in here. I took the sell position. Market was giving us a nice reaction, but then unfortunately, yeah, we moved our stop a little bit down. I mean, first of all, the stop was in here, then we moved the stop a little bit down, and then we got stopped out in here as the market wanted to continue to the upside. Now let me check the 2-minute chart real quick. Well, you see this last move to the upside. We had this kind of like equal highs in here, and this last move to the upside, you see this zone. This is an interesting zone. This was the next zone where I was interested in, you know. So as soon as the market hit that zone, the last up move before we broke structure and moved to the downside, this last up move is interesting for me to sell. All right, so we slashed through stops in here, and we didn't hit these stops. But as you can see, the market reacts on that level, came back again into that level, and then we had a huge drop. I took the aggressive entry in here. Okay, I took the aggressive entry in here. I could have waited for this kind of confirmation. Like, first I wanted to see this move to the downside and then a little pullback to get in, and then step into the game in here, or maybe in here somewhere. But yeah, I took the aggressive entry, had my stop in here, and as soon as I saw price came back to test this level again, then we had this nice drop. As soon as we slashed to this one over here, I was moving my stop somewhere in here, so, and then I was loading it up again. Like, when the market came back, I decided to take some more sells in here. Like, I took another sell in here, and then I took 2 more positions somewhere in here. So I was writing this thing down, took some profits in here, took some profits in here, took some profits in here. I mean, I collapsed the whole position in here as I wanted to play some basketball. Yeah, somewhere in here I exited the whole position. But as you can see, it's still moving down. As you see, I've missed out on a huge run. Could be like twice as much profit that I had in here. But I'm not looking for these super long trend kind of trend moves, you know. Most of the time I'm looking for a nice reaction, take profit around external liquidity. I mean, stop sitting here, sell entries, sell orders sitting here. I mean, this is a nice target. And of course, if we look on a bigger time frame, this low in here, last week's low, this is a nice target as well. And then this low in here is a nice target as well. But yeah, anyways, all these targets got hit. So if you've sold this one, if you took this trade, you probably ended up with a nice big runner. If you've loaded it up, maybe you flipped your account like crazy, as some of my students do. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. These are the 2 trades that I took on a Monday, made 80 grand, withdrew 80 grand. And yeah, today was just lovely. And let's see what we got for the upcoming week. I hope we have 1 or 2 more profitable trading days, but we're gonna see. I will keep you updated, guys. If you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the link in the description below. Join that free channel, it's free. And if you need help, guys, just drop me a message. I always have some good advice for you. I'm doing this for more than 11 years, so yeah, if I have time, I will get back to your chats. Last days was too nice outside, was too sunny, you know, the sun was shining. I was not sitting in front of the computer to answer your chats, guys. But when I have time, if the weather is shit, or if I just have time, want to hustle and help you out, then I'm going to get back to your chats personally and give you my best advice to make you grow and help you to succeed in this game. Yeah, that's it, guys. I wish you all the best. See you in the next video, and stay healthy, have a good time. Peace out.